Good morning students, nice to meet you. Right, we are talking the topic similar triangles and exercise 8.1 we completed 8 questions. Okay guys, right now we are going to see the last question of the 8.1 which is nothing but a construction. Okay, division of a line segment in a given ratio. Now to go to the 9th question, first of all we do this construction, division of a line segment in given ratio. Okay, you keep the side heading. Okay, you keep the side heading. Right. Now under this side heading we note the 9th question. What is the 9th question given? Draw a line segment of length 7.2 centimeters. So given length of segment is equal to 7.2 centimeters. 7.2 centimeters and divide it in the ratio 5:3. So division ratio, the ratio is given as 5:3. Division is given as 5:3 ratio, asking to measure the two parts. So how do we divide the line segments, isn't it? So with the ratio, in generally we have to follow the total length as one part. How many parts is given there to us? 5 and 3, total 8 parts. That means I go for a rough diagram. Okay, is it clear guys? Observe carefully. I take a line segment, it is not measured, you observe AB and it is the length 7.2 centimeters. I want to keep a point, or I want to divide this line segment in the ratio 5:3 by any certain point P. By any certain point P, AB line segment is divided in the ratio 5:3. That means AP is divided into 5 parts, whereas PB is divided into 3 parts. Total how many parts do you have? You have there total 8 parts. Okay, total 8 parts. Right. Clearly, we are going to use the basic proportionality theorem. To divide the given line segment. Right. So how do we make the construction? Let us see that one. So first of all, take the scale and draw the line segment with 7.2 centimeters. Here I take the scale. Now I am going to draw 7.2 centimeters line segment. Okay. Right. This measurement may be 7.2 centimeters. Now I do want to draw a line or a point which divides AB line segment in the ratio 5:3, isn't it? So what we do? We need to take an acute angle ray towards the downside. Okay, I take an acute angle ray, let it be AX ray. Okay, let it be AX ray, which is making an angle less than 90 degrees. Okay, why should we take less than 90 degrees? Can't we take 90 degrees? Of course you can take 90. Can't we take obtuse angle? Of course you can take obtuse angle. But if you take an acute angle, your diagram will be within the page. If you take a right angle triangle, it may occupy more space. If you take obtuse angle, if it will go out of your page, so there you have some problems because they asked you to create an acute angle ray. Okay, right. And one more thing, here we are going to use BPT. What do BPT says? Basic proportionality theorem. It says as that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same parallel to the one side of a triangle, it divides other two sides in the same ratio. Okay, now I am going to create this one here. How do I create? Right, let's take a compass. How many parts is totally this AB? I said you 5 and 3, total 8 parts. Now I take the compass. with any simple radius and I place it at A. Okay, draw an arc. Placing at A, I draw an arc. So, mark this one as A1, this point as A1. Now, place again at A1 with the same radius, draw another arc. This is A2. Place at A2, draw another arc. This is A3. Similarly, you go up to A8 because you want total 8 parts of AB. Okay, now I go, this is A4, A5, A6, A7 and A8. Did you observe? I took the compass with the same radius and I have drawn A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, the 8 parts. That means this total AB line segment is of 8 parts and I have created 8 equal parts. Now, take a scale and join B to AH, okay, which gives us a triangle. What I said you, we need a triangle here. So, I got a triangle A8 with B, okay. Now, this is a triangle. Now, I want a parallel line to the base. See here the base, I want a parallel line which divides the two sides in the same ratio. So, we want to divide 5:3. So, where is 5? The path is here, 5. So, at 5, I want to draw a parallel line. So, that from A to A5, this is 5 parts and from A5 to A8, this is 3 parts. So, these 5 parts and these 3 parts must be created in this one. That means you want to draw a parallel line. So, how do you draw a parallel line? Now, let us see to draw the parallel line. I take the compass, place at A8, measure to A7, okay, observe carefully everybody, measure to A7, now draw a line, right. This line cuts the graph, cuts the A8 line and you want to draw a parallel line where at A5, so keep the compass with the same radius, don't change the radius. Are you able to understand? Don't change the radius, place at the point A5 and draw an arc. Okay, again draw an arc. Now, you observe here A7 and here is a cutting point. Let us take it as X or M and I measure from A7 to M. Observe carefully, I reduced, see it clearly. It is A7 and it is AM. The point is there. Now, take this measurement, place at A4 and draw an arc. Draw an arc. Now, this cutted points, I think it as N. Now, join A5 and N. A5 and N. Observe carefully everybody. This is A5 and N. I joined. So, this is a line which is parallel to MBC. I said you to draw a line parallel. This A5, A8, B is a line and this A5 is parallel. I keep this point as P. Did you understand how to draw this one? You understood everybody, right? What I did first of all, we have drawn the line segment AB. After that one, I have taken the acute angle ray. After that one, I have taken the compass and with equal radius, the arcs are constructed A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A7, A8. Okay, from A5 to B is joined. After that one, I have taken from A8 to A7 and drawn an arc to cut at M. Similar measurement taken from A5 and an arc is drawn to draw from A4. After that one, I have measured from A7 to M and the same measurement is taken from A4. You must be very careful at this point. A7 to M, this measurement must be taken at A4 and an arc is to be drawn and it cuts this one at the point N. Now, A5 and N are joined and produced. It gives you the point P. Do you understand? Right. Now, this is our required point P which divides the given line segment in the ratio of 5:3. Okay. How do you prove this one? So, we can prove this one. You write the constructions by your own. Everybody? Okay. So, I give you the proof how do you prove this one? Clearly, you see that A8 and B, A8B is a triangle in which A5P line segment parallel to A8B line segment. When these two lines are parallel, by basic proportionality theorem, I say that AP by PB is equal to AP by PB is equal to A5 by A5 What is A to A5? This is 5 parts, equal parts. So I give you 5, and from here to here equal parts is 3. So therefore, we created a point, we took a point P which divides the line segment in the ratio 5:3. Okay, hence P divides AB line segment in the ratio 5:3. Okay, right guys? Now practice this one very clearly because it is given for 2 marks in the examinations. Similarly, you take 3:2 ratio and 7:4 ratio and construct your own lengths and draw the figures. Okay, this is your homework. Use the same measurement 7.2 and take this ratio. This is the second question, and go to the third question in the same order. Okay, Nana? Right. Meet you in the next video.